Welcome to Cambridge Laundromat. We are excited to announce our grand opening, where laundry day just got easier. Welcome to your new neighborhood laundromat. We've built a modern, family-friendly space to tackle your toughest loads. Say hello to fresh clothes made easy. The old way of doing laundry is over. You'll find no more waiting for broken machines, no more dark, dingy aisles, and no more fighting for folding space. Step into the light and clean. We offer a massive, spotless environment designed from the ground up for your comfort and safety. Experience zero wait time and maximum freshness. We have brand new commercial-grade Speed Queen washers and dryers that get you in, out, and back to your life faster than ever before. Enjoy massive capacity for family-sized loads and state-of-the-art digital controls. Finally, you'll have room to actually fold. We designed our floor plan with your personal space in mind, offering ample, dedicated blue folding stations and plenty of rolling carts. You'll find wide aisles so you never feel cramped. We offer spotless facilities and a friendly team. Our dedicated staff is here to make laundry day a breeze, whether you need to stock up on soap or get help with a machine. Always clean, always reliable. Cambridge Laundromat simply works better because we are fast, clean, and friendly. Our brand new, high-efficiency machines cut down your wash time, and our space is brilliantly lit and meticulously maintained. Plus, you'll find a welcoming community vibe with helpful staff. Check out our grand opening specials just for you. Get free wash upgrades, discounted wash and fold services, and free soap upgrades. These offers are valid during our grand opening month. Stop by to claim yours. Find us at 266 Brookline Street, right here in Cambridge. Bring your laundry, bring the family, and experience the Cambridge difference. Come see us.